Hi guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my dad's channel. On today's video, I'm going to be making a snack that I really like, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started. We only need 2 ingredients for this recipe. This first ingredient is Flamin' Hot Cheetos and the second one is cheese dip. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open your cheese dip and you're going to scrape it all out into a microwavable container. Make sure to get all of it because it's the main ingredient. That's what counts. And then you're just going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then you're going to take it back out, stir it, put it back in for another 30 seconds or until it's hot. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got my cheese warmed up and I cut my bag open sideways, and now all we have to do is pour the cheese in. Not all of it though, just half of it. Great, that should be good. And now you just mix it around and we'll be back for the taste test, so stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm going to give this a taste test. Dad, do you want to come and try it with me?
Alright. Alright, what we got here?
Hot Cheetos with cheese.
Hot Cheetos with cheese. I guess this is what kids eat.
My favorite snack.
I've never had this before, but this is my daughter's favorite snack. There's even places here in El Paso they're like ice cream trucks that sell this stuff. So it's pretty crazy. So how do we eat this?
So you get your fork and you just kind of grab one like this.
Okay. Ooh. Hot Cheetos with cheese. Can I just like pick some up like this? Is that
Ready?
good? Is that a good bite?
Yep. Ready?
All right, let's do this.
That's good.
Cheesy. Spicy. I can see why kids like this. Good job.
Thank you. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Until next time. See ya.